Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix we had trouble saving your video, retry again in 5 seconds. So if you actually face this issue, so there's a lot of people who face the same problem. So what happens is when you are uploading a video and click on save, or if you edit on your video and click on save, sometimes YouTube will give you this message: studio.youtube.com says, sorry, we were not able to save your video. After that, it will tell you to retry in 5 seconds. So, how to actually fix that? So there's actually more than one solution to this. The first one is if you are trying to edit a video when YouTube actually have striked you or gave you a penalty, now you can't actually just edit your video and republish it again because you now have a penalty on YouTube and you can't do a lot of stuff. So this is the first issue that could have happened. The second one is because sometimes when you are uploading, the network that you have are not stable right now, so you may get a bug or error like this. So to fix this issue, you may actually want to try to stabilize your network or try to connect to another network. So if the issue is not fixed yet, you can try to connect to YouTube support and ask them to help you with this issue. Also, you can try to wait for couple of hours, or you can wait for a couple of minutes, refresh, try to use another device, and that may actually fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.